Santa Ana Park. Anytime now, race number 8, and the race on. Magdapio from the outside, rushing up Lake Came Manila. Orthodox Danori inside, and rushing up is Dragon May. Dragon May, Orthodox Danori inside, Bondi Junction. Magdapio, Lake Came Manila in between runners, and racing in 6th position, the favorite, face to face, World Atlas and Boardwalk. Back to the front runner, Dragon May by about 3 lengths, followed by Orthodox, Bondi Junction, face to face, racing on the outside and still moving up. And rounding the far turn, Dragon May by about 2 lengths, face to face, closing in second, Orthodox, Lake Came Manila, Bondi Junction, World Atlas, Magdapio and Boardwalk as they race the final corner. Now the course of the wind has been altered with the favorite takes the lead, and this one is face to face. Dragon May is running by the Orthodox and nearing the finish line, face to face by about 3 lengths now. And finally the favorite, face to face, Dragon May, Lake Came Manila, World Atlas, Orthodox, Pentafecta,